Today new challenge was on the jam game number 3. We're given here an array, starting index, and we need to find out if it's possible to reach the 0 element, which is located here, and if it's true, we should simply return the true and follow these rules for jump. So let's start our BFS implementation as described in hint here. So we got the Q is the Q of the start, this is the first element, and we're gonna store the visited elements, which is the set, and starting element is the start one. And while we have something in Q, we iterating, in other cases return the false, and if we found something, we found 0, so return the true here. So Q dot pop left, so in our current element, and checking if this index has 0 element. In this case we return the true and no longer iterating step. We're calculating the next positions. There are 2 positions, so first one array I plus array I, and second one is I minus array I. So there are basically 2 positions, and for next position in next positions we adding them back to Q and marking as visited. So if next position makes any sense, so next is lower than n and greater than 0, and the next one not in visited, so in this case we're adding this to visited, so adding next one and Q dot append next element. That's basically the solution. Let's try submitting it to see if it actually works now. So thank you guys for watching, see you next day.